What's the meaning of blue-tail fly? Blue-tail fly. Blue-tail fly.
Blue-tail fly. Blue-tail fly. Blue-tail fly is a traditional American folk song that originated in the 1840s. The song tells the story of a slave who accidentally kills his master, and tries to cover it up by blaming it on a blue-tailed fly. The song is often considered to be a cautionary tale about the dangers of not taking responsibility for one's actions. The lyrics and melody have been adapted and changed over time, and the song has been recorded by numerous artists. Overall, Blue-tail fly is a significant piece of American folk music that speaks to the history and culture of the United States.